The legal battle between former friends and Rockefeller co-founders Jay-Z, Damon Dash, it has escalated. Dash is now suing Jay, and the issue is over streaming rights to Jay-Z's debut album, Reasonable Doubt. And that is the focus of Open and Shut with our justice correspondent, Candace Kelley. I like the vibe, I like the music, and we love you, Candace. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning.
Brand new Open is there. So let's do this thing. Damon Dash, he filed suit saying, look, Jay-Z transferred those streaming rights to the album Reasonable Doubt illegally. What do you make of just the suit and Dash's assertion?
Well, you know, it was a one-page filing, so the complaint wasn't attached when it came down on Tuesday, on the day of the filing. And what he said was, as you said, these streaming rights don't belong to you, Jay-Z. They actually belong to the company. Decisions that you are making, I need to be making. I need to be a part of it. I hold a position in the company. You don't. So that's the issue at stake here. And of course, it's just an issue of money. He's suing for $1 million. There are reports that Damon Dash is strapped for cash. He's dealing with, you know, familial issues and alimony and child support and things of that nature. So we don't know where he's coming from. But here's what we do know, that it comes down to the paperwork. It comes down to the contract. What we do know is that each of them own a third of the copyright and a third of the company of Rockefeller in terms of what they can do with this business. Now, Rockefeller and Jay-Z, the attorneys have said this is nothing more than a frivolous stunt. So we will see how this turns out, but still more to come on this because he just filed on Tuesday. But this battle has been going on for so long. You know, we know that something's going to be next.
Yeah, you mentioned it's been going on for so long, and it's been like a back and forth tag team, because last month Jay-Z sued Damon Dash, claiming that he tried to sell the copyright as an NFT, which is all the rage in crypto right now.
Yes.
But tell us more about these NFTs, which, by the way, stands for non-fungible tokens.
Yes, so these non-fungible tokens, and I know we have a graphic for this because even when you hear it over and over again, it's hard to really understand what it is. So here are the simple basics of non-fungible tokens. NFTs, they transform digital works of art or other collectibles into these one-of-a-kind assets. But remember, these are just digital. And then they're sold in marketplaces where they can be stored and traded. There are a lot of marketplaces that are out there. And then if you want to go further in terms of registering what you owe in this digital asset, it's actually it's put on a particular chain, okay? And so these blockchains are where basics. But what you need to understand is that NFTs are here, they make a lot of money, so this is a very big deal. And so what Damon Dash was trying to do, he was trying to sell his copyright interest in the form of an NFT, put it on the market in this cryptocurrency, and sell it, said to be worth maybe $30 to $50 million. A good thing for him. Yeah. But the judge put a stop to this. It's not over, but he did put a stop to it for now, a temporary restraining order. So the battle continues with moguls. Reasonable Doubt had its 25th anniversary just last month. I mean, it is worth at least $100 million, so a lot of money at stake here.
Yeah, and I feel like Damon Dash is very agile and like going over here and finding this and then going over here and stirring up this. Speculators, though, say it all stems from the report that Jay-Z wanted to buy Damon Dash's share in the album, but he offered too little, so it angered Damon Dash.
Yeah. You know, I think what was happening is that Jay-Z is looking at what's in his house, what is in his financial house, what does he own? I've been on here before. We talked about how he sued the photographer who did the cover work for the album of Reasonable Doubt. It looks like he is looking at Reasonable Doubt and getting a sense of, listen, I was taken advantage of, maybe I need to get this in order. So as you said, when we talk about, you know, what's going on right now, he tried to buy out Damon Dash. Damon Dash said, no, buddy, you can't buy out my interest, and you can't come to me with this low number of a couple $1 million. In fact, I'm actually going to sell my copyright. And Jay-Z said, no, you're not. And so that's where we are here today. Damon Dash probably still has it in his head that, listen, I own part of this copyright, so I can sell it. And in fact, a copyright is a transferable type of an ownership. But you got to go back to this paperwork. You have to go back to the original ownership. While they each own a third of it, what's going to become of it Well, if they can't play well in the sandbox outside of the courtroom's going to ultimately decide what's going on there.
Yeah, and Damon Dash is probably looking at the situation. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, I was just going to follow up. I mean, Candace, if I own a third of it and I want to just liquidate, shouldn't it be real simple? Like, I'm going to sell it to Jeff Bezos if I want to, you know?
It should be that simple, but what they're both saying is that, look, there's a Rockefeller interest that we all own, then there's a copyright interest that we all own, and I think that they're just being very careful about what happens. But listen, when it comes to copyrights, you are correct. If I have an interest in it, right? Damon Dash is the executive producer of Reasonable Doubt. He holds a position in Rockefeller. But in terms of to understand what we can sell, I believe that while this won't be an exact open and shut case, that he will be able to sell part of his interest, because that's the whole point of a copyright. It's transferable. You can license it. You treat it like a car. You can lend it to someone. You can sell it to someone. I think ultimately he is going to get some money, but who knows where that money will go because of the bills that he has in terms of all his other paperwork that's going on in his life.
Yeah, unfortunately, I just read some reports that estimate that Damon Dash is only worth about $10,000. Here's a guy who's been worth, $50 million and more. Yeah, no, seriously, $10,000. Wow. I was like, wait, am I reading that right? Yeah, because he's been known for having all this money, at one point over $50 million, but he had foreclosures, lots of lawsuits, lots of issues. So he may end up selling this after all just to be able to make some money. And Jay-Z being worth over $1 billion, he's trying to shake the right tree, but it's not. No money's falling out of it.
Yeah, no money's falling out of it. And you're right. I think that the finances in his life are moving this particular lawsuit that Damon Dash recently filed, worth about $1 million, which is not a lot in terms of big leagues of somebody worth $1 billion, but it's something to help with those bills. I mean, that's the bottom line. He is trying to get out of his financial situation, and this is often what happens. And I think that's the takeaway here, that when you do work with someone, whether you're 25, and that's how old Jay-Z was when he started, and Damon Dash, or whether you're 50, you have got to think that your particular poetry or music or sculpture is going to be worth a lot of money. Consult an attorney, put it in writing. Even if you do business with your best friend's sister, it should be in writing. Your sister might be a blood relative, but you better have a contract, because you don't know what
my sisters. I write everything down. You understand?
That a whole different story, Sharon.
Right, write it down, make it clear.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Whew. All right. Well, on that note, it looks like Jay-Z has 99 problems and Damon Dash is one. All right.
Yeah.
Well, Justice Correspondent Candace Kelley, as always, thanks for keeping it open and shut for us.